If your child is learning English at the very same time they're learning math, reading, science, everything at once, this one is for you.
Because that is a big job, and a lot of parents tell us they worry their child is falling behind while they catch up on English. That worry is completely understandable.
So today, we're breaking down Title III Part A, and by the end, you'll know exactly how your child is identified, what support they'll receive, and the rights you have as a parent. Welcome to Parent 101 from CCISD Federal Programs.
And here's the reassuring part up front. Your child is not doing this alone. Title III Part A provides the support to make sure students get the specific help they need to succeed across every subject.
And that's a strength, not a setback.
Exactly. Title III helps your child build English while keeping the language they already speak at home. That matters.
So first, what exactly is Title III Part A?
It's a key part of a federal education law, the Every Student Succeeds Act. The goal is to help students learn English and meet the same high standards as everyone else. Your district receives the federal money and uses it under rules set by the Texas Education Agency.
And there's a specific term parents will hear.
Right. Here in Texas, students learning English are officially called Emergent Bilingual students. One more important rule. Title III money is extra support. It adds to the bilingual and English as a second language programs Texas already requires and funds. It doesn't replace them, it enhances them, so your child gets even more support.
Okay, next big question. How does the school figure out whether my child needs this?
It's a clear 4-step process. Step 1, the home language survey. Every family fills it out at enrollment. If you list a language other than English, we go to Step 2, a short English check to see how much support your child might need.
And after the check?
Step 3, a trained committee, the Language Proficiency Assessment Committee, or LPAC, reviews the results and decides if your child qualifies. Then Step 4, within a few weeks you get a letter, in your preferred language, explaining whether they qualify and what the support looks like.
Anything families should watch out for on that survey?
One important thing, you can change your survey answers within 2 weeks of submitting them, but only before your child takes the English check. Once that check happens, the answers stay exactly as they are.
So let's say my child qualifies. What support is actually available?
2 main options. The first is English as a second language, right at your child's home campus, elementary, intermediate, and high school. A trained teacher helps them learn English alongside their regular subjects. The second is dual language, offered in English and Spanish at select elementary and intermediate schools, helping students grow in both languages and become fully bilingual.
And who chooses between them?
The committee recommends the best fit, and you make the final decision together. And one support worth knowing, if your child is placed in a program at a different campus, the district provides transportation to that assigned school.
Now this part matters most. What are my rights as a parent?
Federal law protects several, because you're an equal partner. You have the right to receive school information in a language you understand, and access to trained interpreters. And I mean trained adults, not another student translating for you. You can approve or decline the program the school offers, and you can ask to switch programs or opt out entirely at any time.
What about my child's access to everything else at school?
They have the right to equal access. They can take part in all school programs like pre-kindergarten, gifted and talented, and career and technical courses. Being an emergent bilingual student never closes those doors.
And how do we know they're making progress?
There's a yearly cycle. Once a year, your child takes the Texas English Language Proficiency Assessment System, TELPAS, which measures listening, speaking, reading, and writing in English. You'll get progress updates at least once a year. And when your child meets the English standards, the school asks for your exit approval to move them out of the program.
So if a parent is watching right now and thinks this might be their child, what's the one thing to do?
Reach out. Contact your child's campus or the Multilingual Education Department directly. You'll find a link in the description. Ask questions, stay involved, and reach out whenever you need to. Title III Part A exists to help children succeed in English and in every subject, and we're here to help you navigate it.
Thanks for spending this time with us today.
Parent 101 is a parent and family engagement initiative from CCISD Federal Programs, created to help every family feel informed, included, and supported. You'll find every guide at ccisd.net/parent101, and your voice matters. Share it through our survey at ccisd.net/federalprograms.
Because together, we go farther.